So on November the 4th, 5th and 6th, Matsuura UK are hosting an open house here at their headquarters in Coalville. You can come and see this man and find out more about this type of technology. David, why should people be coming here to see the Muratec machine in action? What can it do for them?
Well, what we like to do is bring customers in with their solutions. They're obviously making these parts already, and we show them how we can make them quicker for them.
And how can you know, what, I mean, clearly this machine moves like lightning, but what's kind of the reasons why you can potentially reduce those cycle times for people?
Well, one, you've got 2 turrets, so you can split the cycle time in half. You've got the gantry loading, as you can see, it loads in 5 seconds flat, and we can compile all these operations together and give them a one-trick pony, if you like.
So if people come here, maybe bring their applications, maybe they've got a problem in the machine shop, maybe their customers looking for cost down, all of those elements can be solved by technology like this.
That's correct, yeah. What we like to do, we're very competent at doing the components for people, but very often they're bringing their solution to us and saying, just put it through your machine and see what cycle times you can give us.
And does it often come out quicker?
Yeah, normally 50% plus.
Wow, there you have it. Come here and see this gentleman, David Lowe, at the Matsuura UK Open House. Of course, it won't just be the Muratec machines, it'll be their additive technology, their Matsuura technology. It's November the 4th, 5th and 6th. Register using the link below.